It is still an experimental drug, but for two patients at Penrose Hospital tonight, it could make all the difference in their battles with COVID-19. Penrose obtained 2 doses of remdesivir, an autoimmune disease drug which the federal government is just now distributing to states like Colorado for emergency use only for select patients with coronavirus. News Channel 13's Crystal Story Jones is live outside the hospital tonight with how these patients were picked. Crystal.
Bart, today is day 1 of 5. 2 COVID-19 patients here at Penrose Hospital are going to get an IV every morning for the next 5 days of remdesivir. And in about a week, we'll be able to know whether or not it helped them beat the virus. The experimental drug to treat COVID-19 has landed here at Penrose Hospital.
This is kind of our first opportunity to really try to combat the virus.
Pharmacy Director Allison Schlang explains doctors are hoping for the best outcome, a resource to treat the coronavirus. But the reality is it's too early to tell. Nearly 2,000 doses have come to Colorado, even though the drug hasn't been approved by the Federal Drug Administration for wide use. But its clearance for 2 patients here came under the emergency of this pandemic.
The manufacturer, Gilead, I think they were able to present enough information on their end that this medication could work against the virus.
Between Penrose Hospital and St. Francis Medical Center, there are 4 patients with the coronavirus. But doctors had to pick 2 who meet the criteria and based on the little research wouldn't have an adverse effect on this drug.
We want to make sure that they don't have liver dysfunction or kidney dysfunction that could be more harmful if we were to put them on this drug.
Now, doctors tell me the first sign of relief and the sign that this drug might be working is some relief on the respiratory system. So hopefully in the next few days or even week or so, these patients who are getting this drug will start to breathe a little bit easier. For now, we're live in Colorado Springs. Crystal Story, KRDO News Channel 13.